Just I wait, I need to put it back on my personal Facebook. Okay. Ayun, si Aishi. Guys,
this is gonna be fun. Bro, everyone.
ayan mo. 2 cells. Pero po sa 100cc pre, makakuha mo yung all stat na costume. Solve na yun. Yan. Grabe naman si Koto ko, pre. Haha. Koto.
I'm coming back to my account.
Guys, next round. Frontera Field. Solid talaga ng lakas araw. Taka na, di ko alam kung sarcasm yan, pre. Ang stream. Bali, pagkatapos nito, ng tele-LGP, guess the monster. Ayun. Atong, deal mo ako sa front, yung Den BM. Padil ako.
I actually went back outside. I actually teleported to your backyard.
Hot storage, son.
Yeah, she was going to be your partner for the playdate, but sadly it canceled.
Wala ng top fan dyan, mga pre. Pag wala, edi sa mga viewer raffle tayo ngayon.
What do you mean?
Hindi po ako,
Ano yan?
sir. Hindi.
OMG, ang lahat talaga.
Puro gacha, no? Nakita ko yung streamer egg, pre. Ang ganda ng mga bagong laman ng streamer egg din. Mga viewers na mag-stay hanggang sa end ng stream, tara paraffle natin yung loti. Sayang din yun, may mga magaganda din nakukuha sa lot. 2 weeks din, 2 weeks.
I can have your account
Thank you for sharing, pre.
whenever I want to and however I
Teka,
want.
yung siguro yung listahan.
Yeah, there's something fishy.
Suspicious.
I'm gonna get some Hansen muna. Then
Ako
we
yun.
Where? Oh yeah.
see.
Yep, you knew.
Search nyo kasi gamitin nyo. Human, medium, neutral. May kita niyan, pre. Promise. Yan na, tatlo. Yan na, sagad na yun. Wala na akong clue na ibibigay. Ano else, Jewel? Ano yan, pre?
Tell me who. Right there. I'm sure. Right there. Oh,
Can you tell me who?
I don't know who.
Can you remove them?
I don't know.
So, dami mga hatak si ano ah. Dami mga sumasali dun kay Crew.
What server should we play? By the way, I'm gonna make a new account for you.
Bago
You found someone there in the thing?
I thought. No, I said. I saw one set.
angry follower, pre.
What do you call? There.
Nandito siya. Lalabas siya sa Divine Pride. Lalakihan ko na ulit.
Easy.
Nakakatapad kasi wag paano, wag par. Race nang wag pa race.
I just ran over Johnny. How? How do you escape this place?
Wala face worm to, di ba? Boss Randolph, shout out sa'yo.
What? Okay, bye.
Thank you for sharing the stream, Boss Jamel.
That's fine.
Putang ina, ayaw lumaki. Ayan, pre. Oh, yan, clue. Tele ka muna, kayo, King. Tele. Ito sabihin si ano na naman mananalo dito.
Why are you scared? Someone's trying to play a duck.
Haba naman ito. Si Atong.
They don't even know daily though. Bye, see you later. Really, right?
Yun o, Boss JC Artilero.
Bro, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay lang yan, basta ano. Tapos raraffle kayo sa subscribers. VIP din yan.
I miss you so much, Aga. Oh my gosh, I saw a beautiful person.
Hanap lang tayo ng ipapaguess.
Yeah. I'm evil. You're
Ay, salamat sa notify, Tomiyama.
How dare you call me Ali? Nobody called me Ali.
Baby.
I went back to your account in 1 second.
Depende kung gaano kabilis aabutin ng ano natin, kung gaano kabilis aabutin nitong tele-LGP. Pag medyo maaga tayo natapos dito, may 45 seconds sila para mag-claim. Yung sa LC, siguro,
I ever got.
ano, 20 LC each round.
Can you join me? Actually, it's a bit scary.
Ano tayo? 2 rounds tayo.
Wait, I have a friend that is called, that's name is Amanda in my ballet class.
Sel Aruna Feltz.
I don't think I remember.
Warper Castle. Warper. Si Bullet yun, di ba?
You know, it clapped your hands.
Okay.
I'm in a different category. Like it's different for tomorrow. How?
Because we always want.
Oh, baby, baby.
Here. Don't press on it. Don't go in.
Raffle ko na muna yung top fan. VIP to 1 week. Tapos yung 4 seconds. Tama ba? Wait lang. Bago baka 25. Ay, hindi. Ano pala? 100 NLs Jewel pala. Sorry. 100 NLs Jewel. Mamaya na pala next round pala yung 25 LC. Hulaan nyo. Siguro dahil mukha na siyang itila. Alam nyo na, demi-human siya. So, clue na yun.
Let's play. Wait, let's play Brocade. Wait, I'm going to share my
Bilis lang yan, pa.
Roblox.
Hindi mo na mamalayan. Tawag doon? Accessories. Marami na shadow accessories tsaka shadow. Diba?
Can you join me?
Yan, Arrow Guild, Balfreya.
Farm game. Come
LLGP sa Square Pre subscribers.
here.
VIP
Come here.
din 1 week. Wait lang, nilista ko pala yung mga subs.
Drive it to the hotel. Open.
Oras eh. Saglit lang yun 9 months.
What does that mean? He said the zombies will tell you at the nighttime if you're staying up.
Ang habol sa ano? Sa streamer eggs. Palaro tayo, palaro. Oh, pre. Tayo, di ko din alam eh.
They find the murderer, by the way. I swear, if I'm innocent again in the next round. Bro, I thought that it's called Dylan Anderson. That's literally that. I'm positive.
Yan o,
Just
Simon.
drive it to the motel.
Welcome to the stream, Repa. Puta. Pag hinalaan.
Where?
Sorry.
How dare you? That's personal. Okay. Okay.
Singing. Next round. Para sa 25 LC.
If you share it on your mom,
Grabe, nagbubukas ng itlog. Putang na, sunod-sunod. Ayun o, Holy Armor. Scroll. Orca Clothes. Nakakuha ng Orc Clothes. Grave Worm. Grave Worm. Teka lang ah. Nilista ko lang. Ano else? Jewel pa to mga pre ah. Puta. Shout out kay kay Det. Teka lang, Okay na.
power
Okay.
sign.
50 NLs Jewel. Roy.
And then
50 NLs Jewel sa
mine would be darkness.
lahat. Medium size. Laki natin onte. Oh, yan. Medium. So next year, sure ball, port jump na pre. Mabilis lang yun. Dalawa. Dalawa yun.
Probably they want
Dalawa
to
or
play
ka-clone.
a new
Say
game.
2 plus 6. Say that you remember.
Bro, they're going to watch drama classes again. Who is this?
Ano na to? Straight. Kayo yata mamaya pre.
And honor. Bro,
Wala pre, di ko sure kung mag-QA ako ah. Kaya nyo na yan. Para naman ako.
I'm not even looking anymore, bro.
Out the city pre. Okay, next. Very, very close na pre. As in, talagang size.
do you know him?
Ng mga top fan. Kunin ko lang sa ano. Wala, di ko kasi makita sa Facebook eh. So ano, PC. Abot yan pre. Palaro lang gagawin ko ngayon, ano, ngayon.
Well, yeah.
Sige, what?
Bro, I guess we're the opposite.
Sino nakakuha? Si Bullet. Wait lang Bullet ah. Kasi ano ba yung pangalan mo kasi medyo ano eh.
I got
Oo, ayun oh. Season 1 Championship. Oh, thank you for sharing the stream, Ju. Ariel.
yeah.
Ilang S to? 2, 4, 6. Si V. Kaya lang V.
I lost hair. Okay. No, man.
Hintay lang tayo mga maglalaro.
Everyone is gonna.
Nothing.
You're evil too. Wait a minute.
Lalistahan ko.
Give me back my card.
Wait lang.
One for a rainbow, one for Amanda. Were you playing with me? Amanda.
Grabe, 18k LC. Pangin. Grabe yung presyo ng mga item talaga. Man, medium, neutral. Dream anymore. No. Basta pag medyo malapit na kayo sa character ko, wag mo na kayo mag-tele.
Targeter.
Si Mini, nag-claim na ba si Mini?
Bro, someone tried to target.
Ayun, si Mini. Si Aishi, si Kikuchi pala auto-win. Si Tagums, si Triggerman, tsaka si Rare. 5 days nang di natatabi si Baby, tinatrangkaso. Ayop. Yung monster!
You know, simple 325.
Banayad.
So,
Wait lang.
that's where I'm staying.
Raffle ko na lang yung sa... Gamitin ko yung isang sasakyan. Yung isa. Puti. Pagbibigay ako ng lalaki ako yung picture next. Oo. Medium ha, medium. Medium size, medium size. Divine Pride ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Ulit tapos next clue. Yeah, notify lang yung mga friend. Balik stream na ulit ako. Dami lang kasi talagang ginawa. Busy. Ano ba ito? Kamusta Jet Lord sa ano? Putang ino, naka ano. Naka all stats costume yun oh.
Yo, that.
Tele lang ng tele pre. Mga pang nanalo. Bagay, bilis lang ng... Kala mo lang yon.
Oh, because I reported.
Para palaro tayo pre. Mamaya ako nare-raffle yung sa ano. Kasi di ba yung streamer egg, bago na ilaman. Tama?
Kid joke.
Hindi siya dandilayan pre. O ito na, level.
When I said that I'm like an I'm gonna turn you to an emo bro.
Hindi siya ano eh.
Yeah.
Oh no eh. Pwede si Banayad pala autoclave. Banayad, Redux. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Start. First to chat sa pub. First to chat. I always wanted this and it's not a joke. And I picture pre. Para sa 25 LC.
Don't move a single inch.
Sabi kasi ni Jess eh. Ni Jess. Fly LGP pre. Pagkatapos nitong ano round na to ng LGP fly, ano? As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. When you're playing Minecraft, they said that they
Ha? Paano streamer egg din na streamer egg? Di ko gets. Nilakihan ko na yung radius ng square para...
you. Me too.
O pre, sali nyo lang kahit alt. Siguro mga... Level 82 pre.
Why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby? Why? Because she was a little horse.
Antay lang tayo ng mga gustong sumali.
No one really died.
Ang daming bagong pumapasok na guild ngayon sa lakas, no? Sa tour. Parang 3 yata yung nakita akong bago. Yung
I'm gonna trade away your stuff. There- Kasama ka?
wala yata dito yung VIP nandun sa kabila. Mamaya ako na lang i-deal. Kayo uwi kayo, di ba? Wednesday. Kaya nyo na yan, pre.
Right there. Other drama.
Paputa ganun. Grabe, nakita ko yung pandemonyo. Grabe yung costume na nakakill. Day pa lang. Ayoko na, pre. Di ko na ulitin yung 3 stream, pre.
What is coming here? Look, they're trying to check some drama. Bro, look
Teka,
everyone
labas
is
ko lang yung
gathering on the
marbles.
ground.
Papalaro ako. Nagkuha lang ako ng listahan ng
Your
ano,
favorite na is Aya, Genie.
subscriber tsaka ng ano ba to?
No!
Ano ba? In July, August, September, October.
I saw
Nako. Yung mga gusto sumali, pasok na isa pa. Punong mag-chat sa pub, pre.
two are there.
Wait lang ah.
Watch me log into my brother's account.
So ganito. 100 ano else?
Hey, I remember the game. Oh. Oh,
Ngayon, pag hindi nag-claim si Aishi, si Tagums, tsaka si Triggerman, bali mapapalitan yan ng 16, 17, tas 18.
someone,
Hina, wait lang ha. Mag-aano tayo, kumaga tayo matapos dito.
I'm gonna change your
Siguro pag, guess the monster tayo. Akane. Ayun, para kay Redux tsaka kay Akane, 45 seconds para sa inyo. Pag hindi nag-claim si Redux tsaka si Akane,
but you yet watched it.
not here by my side.
Okay then.
on, come on, come on.
Let's keep up free on server.
Pagkapos tayo sa oras, yun, siguro sunod-sunod gawin natin Guess the Monster. 2 rounds on LS Jewel, 5 rounds LC. Tapos may
Wait, you cut your hair? You didn't tell me, so that I can cut my hair just.
Frick. Ay, ako din sorry. OP pa din ba
Hey,
ito?
there's a secret room here. Come here. Come here. I have.
Come. Oh yan, madali lang yan pre. Grave worm, goods. Grave worm pre. Nauna si Chodan. Grave worm. Ang sagot. Grave worm. Eddie, wow. Tsaka si... Ano to?
Get spawn your car here. Then drive it. Wait, I will use it. You drive it a lot.
Raymond and Mo. Oh yan pre.